You gave Tory Lanez Donkey of the Day for allegedly shooting Megan Thee Stallion. We don't really know what happened at this point. Just the other day, I guess there was a text message that they had posted saying that Tory apologized to Megan, said he was really drunk. A lot of people got mad at me because I said, I'm not going to take sides in this whole Tory Megan thing because all we've heard is a couple of comments from Megan. We haven't heard anything from Tory, and the LAPD hasn't put out any sort of report. So I don't know what happened. I don't know whether he shot her, whether it was fragments, it was a ricochet. I don't know whether she beat him up, because she's like a foot taller and 100 pounds heavier. I don't know, TK Kirkland thinks it might be short man's disease, but it's such a polarizing male versus female thing. A lot of people are like, it doesn't matter, the details. A woman got shot, that's all that matters. It's like, well, no, it's not all that matters. Like, there's a good reason to shoot somebody. You see what I'm saying? Like, if your life is being threatened, there's a good reason to shoot somebody. I'm not saying this is the situation.
Not an unarmed woman walking away from you. You know what I'm saying? Like she was walking away.
Is that what happened though?
Yeah, based off what she said.
Based on what she said. You see what I'm saying?
I can't think of one reason. Even just if just off what we know, I can't think of a reason to shoot an unarmed woman. Mm-mm.
I feel you.
No, that goes back to everything we've been talking about: fragile ego, insecurity, feeling like you're not respected, probably because you don't respect yourself the way that you should. You know what I mean? Like, for it to go to that, it really makes me wonder, how fragile is a person's ego? And trust me, I've been hearing the same thing. People say, "Oh, there's two sides to the story." Yada, yada, yada. Let me tell you something. If I was a man, I said if I was a man. I am a man, right? As a man, if that was me in that situation, if there was another side to the story that proves I did not do what I'm being accused of, yeah, I'd be telling that to everyone. What is there to be silent about?
Well, no, not exactly.
Okay.
Because as someone that, I've been through legal cases, you've been through legal cases. What is the first thing your lawyer tells you when you're in the middle of a case?
Be quiet. Don't say nothing. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I've had cases that were affected based on interviews I've done with Angela Yee. You know what I mean? It was played in court.
Mm-hmm.
So I learned the hard way to shut the fuck up when it comes to legal cases.
You're right.
So you can't just say, he should be saying something. No. He's facing some serious charges. His lawyer saying
he got a gun charge, right?
We don't know. We don't know if he's facing a gun charge, an assault charge, a shooting charge, a weapon charge. We don't know.
Yeah, it does. Listen, it does feel like it's more to this situation, but maybe it's not. That's the other thing too. Maybe it's not. Maybe. Motherfuckers fuck up. Maybe he fucked up. He apologized.
Yeah.
I don't know if those texts were real or fake. I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't tell what's real or fake.
We don't know. And for example, I've seen bullet wounds before. Her foot, it did not look like a bullet actually hit her foot. It looked like it might have been fragments or something else like that. Even the police said it looked like broken glass, which is why they didn't book it as that. So we don't know. So I just want everyone out there, just wait for the real story before sitting there and condemning people who may not have the same point of view.
Yeah, I'm with you. Listen, I would be more than happy to take back that donkey of the day if it turns out that he didn't do it. Yeah. But sometimes you have to do donkey of the day just as a teachable moment. Because guess what? Even if he didn't do what he did, boy, it's some stupid shit to have your name attached to. How the fuck do you end up in that situation? How do you go from being in a pool, having a party with Megan Thee Stallion and Kylie Jenner, to having your name attached to shooting a woman who is at the moment the biggest female rapper in the world? That's just something happened. Something fucking happened. And by the way, something happened that your lawyer wants you to shut the fuck up about.
Right.
That's just some dumb shit to have your name attached to, man. That's all.